Okay, here's my seeds for sunflowers. Oh, there's a zinnia seed in there. Here's some seeds here for vines. And I was thinking about planting morning glories in with the sunflowers. If they could climb up the sunflowers. Today I'm going to make a new flower garden in this area right here beside the garage. I was thinking that this would be a good place to put sunflowers because I don't want to plant them someplace where they'll shade anything else. And nothing is growing right here. Okay, just dig it in and turn it over where it lays. Then we'll go over it with a spading fork, and then we'll rake it out nice and smooth. Okay, there's the first time over. Just went over it with the spade. Just shove the spade in with your foot. Give it a touch forward. Shove it in with your foot again until you're as deep as you want to go. Then just pull it up and turn it over. Now I'm going to go over it with the spading fork. Just do the same thing. Break up some of these huge clumps. And I'm going to take some different kinds of sunflowers and mix them together. Those are some small seeds. So I'm just going to mix all these seeds together and sow them very thickly in one long drill. I usually sow my flower seeds pretty thick. Easier to keep the weeds out. Okay, I got a nice furrow and I think I got all the big lumps out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seeds in. Got them in there nice and thick, and I'm going to cover them over with dirt, just an inch or so. And then today it's supposed to rain. If it don't rain, I'll have to come out and water them. Now the last thing we have to do besides watering them is go down and tamp down the drill so the seeds have good contact with the soil. And if it don't rain today, I'm have to come out and water them tomorrow. I think I got them all covered up, tamped down. And so I think that's it. Well, we gotta water them, but I'm gonna wait for it to rain. And if it don't rain, I'll come out and water them tomorrow. So that is how to make a new flower bed. One way, the old-fashioned way, the way I grew up doing. And if we wanted to have a bigger flower bed next year or some other time when we get more energy, we can just dig up another row right beside this. And then it just keeps growing every year, getting bigger and bigger. Okay, so I hope that you liked this video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. And thanks a lot, and goodbye.